Thorough market research isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Dive into your target demographic, their preferences, their needs, and their behaviors. The more you know about your potential customers, the better you can tailor your product to their desires. In the age of social media, creating anticipation for your product has never been easier. Use a mix of teasers, sneak peeks, and behind-the-scenes glimpses to generate excitement. Remember, curiosity is a powerful tool in the realm of marketing. Timing is everything in a product launch. Too early, and your product might not be ready. Too late, and you might miss the wave of interest. The key is to find the sweet spot where your product is fully developed and the market is ripe for your offering. Why should consumers choose your product over others? Whether it's superior quality, innovative features, or competitive pricing, make sure your product stands out from the crowd. Even with meticulous planning, things can go awry. Have contingency plans in place for everything from technical glitches to supply chain disruptions. Being prepared for the unexpected will help you navigate any bumps in the road with grace and confidence. Launching a new product can be daunting, but with these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to a successful product launch. And that's all for today, folks. But don't worry, there's plenty more where that came from. So come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.